Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to download and install VMware Workstation Pro for free. Guys, if you want to use a free YouTube title generator, then come to analyzewith.com, come to tools, title generator, then click on generate titles. First you need to open a browser, search for VMware Workstation. Here open first link. Here you need to click on download Fusion or VMware Workstation. Here ask you to log in with your account. If you don't have already account, come to login, click on register. Here create one account, then log in with your account. When you log in with your account, you will see your dashboard. After that, click on my download. Here click on a free software download available here. Here search for any software you want. We need VMware. Click VM, search result. Scroll down. Here is VMware Workstation, VMware Workstation Pro. Here we have two types of VMware Workstation, for Linux and for Windows. I want to download for Windows. If your operating system is Linux, you can download for Linux. Here is different version of VMware Workstation. I want to download 17.5.2. You can select anyone you want. Now it is available here to download. When you click on download, you don't have permission. Before this, check this agree, then click on download. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. Have a good time. See you soon.